Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I've been using the Buffalo Wild Wing application to order food and earn some rewards, but recently it froze on the checkout screen and wouldn't process my order. So if you are also facing the same problem, here are some of the troubleshooting methods that you can use in order to fix this issue. First of all, we need to clear the outdated saved payment methods inside the application. So since the application is tied to your payment for order, an expired card or any old billing info can cause crashes at checkout. So you just have to open your application, and here you need to go to your settings. In your settings, you just have to check for the payment method and remove any expired or outdated card. Then you need to re-add a fresh payment method, and this is going to actually fix the freezing issues at checkout, and it will also speed up your order processing. If the issue is still there, you can just try to enable the location services for the application. So Buffalo Wild Wings actually need your location to show the nearby restaurants, deals and pickup options. So in order to fix that, you just have to simply come out of your application and long press on its icon, then tap on the eye icon. Then you will be landed in the app info of this Buffalo Wild Wings app. So here you need to go to app permissions, and you just have to allow the location permission. So tap on location and then tap on the option of allow only while using the application. Then you just have to simply launch your app and check if it is working properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips like this one. Thanks for watching.